Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom is a bit of a falling knife here at the moment. It is obviously doing its B wave still here. We explained in previous videos that the move to the upside is not really an impulse, so I can only count it as an ABC structure in a larger A wave. So this is the move that started here back in November. An A wave to the upside, then a WXY structure to the downside in a B wave. And then a C wave to the upside would be next, but it needs to hold the 21 cent level here, 21, 22 cents. That's the relevant support I need it to hold. If it doesn't hold that, then it will probably head to new bear market lows. But that's really like the 88.7 Fib level. Ideally, I don't want it to drop below 27 cents or 26, 27, but it looks as if it will try to break it. So the last bullish support level that I have, but it's already a bit of an unreliable one, is the 88.7 Fib level. And as I often say, the 78.6 Fib level for me is like the last reliable bullish support level. If it breaks below that, then it is likely going to fail the setup. Now here it's a bit of a special situation because we've got it's a B wave. Yeah, and the B wave is a bit more flexible than a wave 2 in my experience. So it can drop a little bit lower, but it's still unreliable. And therefore, and I already explained that on Discord and Telegram earlier to channel members, my point is here, it is a bit of a falling knife. I'm not going to do anything here because even though this is in a support area, it is too risky for me to say, okay, it will likely turn around. That's also why we've got that support area in orange. Orange means a bit higher risk. It's a bit of a, more uncertainty, higher risk of failure. It's actually increasing its downside momentum at the moment. So it's a bit like, okay, I want to wait for an impulsive price move to the upside, wait for pullbacks in a new uptrend to buy if I buy, okay? Because at the moment it's just catching the falling knife and it is going down fast and it's a bit too risky for me. I know they can always turn around at an instant, but then there are other charts where I have a bit more trust. So this is already very, very close to the 78.6 retracement. And to be honest, a break below that will make the chart already unreliable and rather bearish, more bearish at least. Therefore, as I said, as long as we don't have a signal that it's turning around, I'm not going to do anything here. Bitcoin, for example, happy to scale in slowly. But for example here, where the risk is anyway higher because it's an altcoin and it's at risk of breaking below the 78.6 Fib level, I prefer to wait for a signal. Now, it's not doing anything unusual. We said also in the previous video that if it doesn't hold the 30 cent support, it's most likely going down to 26, 27. It's still in this trend channel here. It never broke above the trend channel. So as I said before, as long as we don't have a trend reversal signal, which would be the very first and early signal would be a break out of this channel to the upside. And that's just not happening at this stage. So as long as it doesn't give us an impulsive price move above the channel, well, the descending trend channel, right? I can't confirm any low in place. So that's what we need to see. Ideally, a break out of the box, so above 35 cents would be ideal. But until then, the downside pressure remains and it is still in the channel. Obviously, you can see the last time it hit the channel resistance, it was a good short opportunity. That's just like a pullback trade, right? For anybody who likes to short, these kind of pullbacks to trend lines can be short opportunities. But again, no financial advice. That all needs to fit your own trading plan and strategy. But it's not far, this next support level at 26.8 cents. Let's see how price reacts to this level. But for now, it's increasing in negative momentum. I mean, we're on a 4-hour chart now. Can you see here the MACD is just increasing in negative momentum, but we have a bullish divergence here. As you can see, even the last low here is a higher low, but obviously it would need to turn around now otherwise it will make a new low and the bullish divergence is invalidated. Here we also had a bullish divergence. Well, that's invalidated now, but it's now oversold on the 4-hour. On the daily, it's now oversold as well. Okay, so the last time we were that much oversold was here, which was in October. Now it did make another low afterwards, but that was a bullish divergence, and then it just kept rallying. So, but also on the daily now, bearish crossover on the MACD. Also not really bullish, but it's obviously deep in support. The indicators are pretty much oversold. So let's see if we see a reaction. But without a reaction, they are only indicators. Yeah, they are lagging. So price action, price needs to give us some piece of evidence that a trend reversal is occurring. At the moment, not really. So, but this is the time to be watching, in the support area. But until we see something, the expectation has to be we go down lower, and that's been the narrative for the last few weeks. Okay, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.